They don't know about days, late nights with the same clothes. They don't know about stepping in the rain with your phasos. But I was grinding, I wasn't trying to let my pain show. My opinions still plenty, now she wanna get with me. Got binges on binges like what? Nigga, ayo. Play with this, hit them folks like Teo. Money hungry till I get a halo. Grind for 100 years, I'ma take it to the grave. Cause I fell in love with grinding before I had to pay. It's deeper than money, this shit about being great. It's deeper than money, don't care about cloud or the fame. It ain't about designing and flashy cars and getting paid. It's about how you keep doing what you love through the rain. I'm from Atlanta, you know a young nigga brave. But niggas make money, don't let the money make them slaves. No, I won't sell my soul.
YouTube, what is up? How are you doing? And welcome back to the channel. We gotta get outside, man. Ooh, boy, I'm shiny. But we're about to go outside real quick. I have not started the Z all week. Aww. We need to get this Z started, man. I have not gotten started all week. So we're gonna go ahead, take her out for a little, maybe a little POV, a little drive, some drones, something like that. Hopefully y'all been waiting to see it. Today's video is going to be shot on the iPhone 16. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully y'all loving it. Like I said, if I'm showing too much, I'm sorry. But we're gonna take the ZL1 out real quick. I haven't got this baby out all week. It's about time we showed the car some love. I've been driving the truck all week. Okay, so she's unlocked. You can hear that gas priming. I got that tank on her. Let's take her out real quick. Let's go do something. So we're gonna do a little quick start. Get her out of here. Plus I need to go to Walmart. Your boy needs some new undershirts. I need some more tank tops for summertime. I need some more underwear. Hanes. I like them boxer briefs, you know what I'm saying? Or shit, I might just start free balling.
Stop it. Get some help.
I almost said freestyling. I might just start free balling. Who knows? But now we're gonna take the ZL1 out. It's been a while. I got my grass cut, so it's looking good. Hold up. Grass ain't looking too shabby. Got a few dead spots I need to fix, but that's all good. I'm not gonna lie. I bought the 16. This is one iPhone 16 Max, Pro Max. Go big or go home. And I did the 1 terabyte. I did the 1 terabyte it's easy. All right, I could fully record everything, shoot everything, keep all my videos. There's no such thing as no space. If y'all don't know, I always use my Canon and I switch things over. Talking about my Canon, I'm trying to show certain things. Talking about my Canon, I need to bring that drone. I leave everything by the door, I'm sorry. But yeah, I need to bring that drone just in case we want some drone shots, okay? We could take the car for a wash. Cause I done got that new chemical wash, so we need to go wash the car real quick. Can't forget about that. But I'm gonna have to wiggle it out. I barely have any room. So let me go and see what I can do. And then we'll do a cruise. We'll spray the car down, bring it back, get that dust off. It's just pollen, but we'll do something, man. Get out for a little bit. Gotta do something. So do y'all wanna hear that cold start? Yes, you do. I know you do. Plus, like I said, I gotta try to wiggle this car out, so bear with me.
I say out loud, I stand with Ye, then they gon' try to cancel phase. In the face of fact that it's still a choice, so let that man enslave him. But hey, bruh, hand me my acres, fuck your emancipation. They been trying to play like they hooked us.
Gotta move the truck. Back. Good. That should be far enough. Woo! I need to build a bigger driveway. having 4 cars and having to juggle it every single time is just not working out for me, man. It is just not working out. And I know that is, like, I'm sweating. I know that sounds like first world problems, and it absolutely is. It is first world problems, but it is still ridiculous to try to have to move off. Sorry, I'm trying to get y'all balanced. But it is still ridiculous to try to get all of that stuff balanced. I'm putting it on, I'm putting it on. Woo. But let's hit the road real quick, and I'll see y'all shortly.
Y'all heard that? Hold on. Oh yeah, she popping.
Y'all, man, I'm not built for that speeding stuff no more, man. I have more tickets, more reckless tickets than y'all can name. I'm not built for that speed stuff no more, so I'm sorry. If y'all wanted something crazy, we're gonna get it this weekend. We're going to the track. We're going to Atlanta Motor Speedway this weekend. We're gonna do some racing, some drag racing, burnout contests, you name it, we're doing it. So please stay patient, y'all. I got y'all on some good content. I promise, I promise, I promise. I got you guys on some great content. Until then, about to hit the interstate real quick. Let's go get some, should I take Jonesboro? Yeah, I'll take Jonesboro. We're gonna go get some E85. It'll take 5 minutes for me, 2 seconds for y'all. Get to the gas station. There was absolutely no gas. I left it for 5 minutes. It was on $5. Only 1 gallon it put in of E85. So we're gonna go somewhere else because I need more gas.
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want,